2026 Lamborghini Urus continues to define the ultra-high-performance SUV segment, blending supercar pace with everyday usability and unmistakable Lamborghini drama. From the outside, the 2026 Urus looks even sharper and more aggressive. The front fascia gets reworked air intakes, a more sculpted bumper, and updated Y-shaped LED headlights that match Lamborghini's latest design language. Angular body lines, a coupe-like roofline, flared wheel arches, and massive 22 to 23-inch alloy wheels give it a stance that's closer to a supercar on stilts than a conventional SUV. Quad exhaust outlets, a pronounced rear diffuser, and a roof spoiler complete the performance-focused look. Inside, the Urus is a fusion of fighter jet inspiration and Italian luxury. The cabin wraps around the driver with a low, sporty seating position, a hexagonal-themed dashboard, and a central stack dominated by dual touchscreens for infotainment and vehicle controls. High-grade leather, Alcantara, exposed carbon fiber, and contrast stitching are everywhere, with extensive options for colors, trims, and customization. The signature flip-up red cover over the start/stop button and aircraft-style toggle switches reinforce the supercar connection. Rear passengers enjoy generous space for a performance SUV, with optional sport seats or more comfort-oriented layouts available. Technology is fully up to date. A digital instrument cluster can be configured to show classic dials, track style performance readouts, or navigation. The central infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in navigation, online services, and over-the-air updates. A premium audio system, tuned by a high-end brand such as Bang & Olufsen, is available, along with multiple USB-C ports, wireless charging, and connected car functions that allow remote monitoring and some vehicle controls via smartphone app. Under the hood, the 2026 Urus continues with a high-output twin-turbo V8, now likely updated for even more power and improved efficiency, and potentially paired with mild hybrid technology in some versions. Power output is expected to comfortably exceed previous models, delivering supercar rivaling acceleration, with 0-100 km/h, 0-62 mph, likely in the low 3-second range depending on trim. Power is sent through a fast-shifting automatic transmission to a sophisticated all-wheel drive system with active torque vectoring, ensuring immense traction in all conditions. Chassis technology is a key part of the Urus experience. Adaptive air suspension, active roll stabilization, rear wheel steering, and multiple drive modes, Strada, Sport, Corsa, plus off-road-oriented settings like Terra, Neve, and Sabia, allow the SUV to transform from comfortable Grand Tourer to track weapon or rough surface bruiser at the turn of a dial. Braking is handled by huge carbon ceramic discs on higher performance variants, providing exceptional stopping power and fade resistance. Despite its performance focus, the Urus retains genuine everyday usability. There is ample luggage space for a weekend away or airport runs, and the rear seats fold to expand cargo capacity further. Ride comfort in its softer modes is noticeably more forgiving than a pure supercar, making it feasible as a daily driver for those who demand both speed and practicality. Safety and driver assistance equipment reflect its modern, high-end positioning. Expect adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, automatic emergency braking, and a full suite of parking aids including a 360-degree camera system. These systems are tuned to support the driver subtly, without detracting from the Urus's performance character. Pricing for the 2026 Lamborghini Urus will remain firmly in the ultra-luxury performance bracket. Depending on market and specification, starting prices are expected well into the six-figure range, with high-spec or special editions climbing significantly higher, especially once bespoke colors, interior trims, and ad personam customization are added. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Grav on Cars, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest super SUV and performance reviews. Tell me in the comments, would you spec your 2026 Urus for maximum track performance or focus on luxury and daily usability? Thanks for watching Grav on Cars. Drive safe, stay sharp, and keep moving forward.